This is 10 by 10.5. The longer way, 10.5, is the top here. Put your two pieces together. Make a mark 1.25 inches out on the top and the bottom. 3.5 down from the top. Draw a curve and then a straight line going to the dot. Fold. Cut the curve. Cut the straight line. Take both pieces over to the machine and zigzag the whole circumference to prevent fraying. I've zigzagged around the whole piece. Then we're just going to press that back into shape. And hem both pant legs. So we're going to press like 1/4 inch over. On both pieces, and then just stitch that down close to the edge. I've sewn the hem down on both pieces. Fold in half, right sides together. And we're going to sew the pant leg with a 1/4 inch seam allowance on both pieces. The legs are now sewn together. We're going to right side out, one leg. Then we're going to tuck it into the other leg. Line up the waist and the crotch. Now we're going to sew the crotch pieces together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Okay. So now we have to sew a channel for the elastic. So we're going to fold this over. The waist, we're going to fold it over 1/2 inch. And leave an opening on the back side, right about here. So sew to here, lift up, skip, back stitch, put back down, I don't know, about 1/2 inch or so, back stitch, and then sew all the way back. And then we're going to feed the elastic through the opening. So take it to the machine and sew towards the edge so that we have room to put the elastic through. Now, depending on the elastic you're using, you want it to cinch up pretty tight. So I've found that I'm cutting this cording, just this simple cording that I had from when we were making masks, to about, I don't know, 8.5 maybe. And I need to get a safety pin. Okay, pin your elastic. And find your opening. Slide it in. Inch it all the way around. This cording is really convenient for these pants because you can just tie a knot. This stretches out quite a bit, so I want to lose a little bit more elastic, so I'm actually going to cut off about almost another inch elastic. I'm pretty sure that's what I did for the other pair. All right, get it back up in there and sew down the opening. Okay. Let's see how they came out. Perfect. Look how cute. Very cute. Give them a little press if you want to. That seam there. Thanks for watching.